If we want to talk about the whole Amazon rainforest and all the resources it has to offer us, it will take several long videos. So in this video, we are going to cover only the very crucial and key points, and we will discuss why Amazon rainforest is so important for us. Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest, covering 1.4 billion acres, roughly the size of the continental United States, spanning across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The vast ecosystem of Amazon stretches from the Atlantic Ocean and includes the second largest river on Earth, Amazon River, that contributes to 15 to 16% of the world's total river discharge. Amazon River is running through the north of the rainforest and a network of many hundreds of waterways that stretches 6,840 kilometers. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. At the same time, Amazon is one of the world's largest carbon sink. That means it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it releases because of its dense vegetation that plays a major role to keep the climate balance. That's the reason it is referred to as the lung of the earth. Due to the thickness of the Amazon tree canopy, it takes about 10 minutes for rain to reach the ground. It plays a major role to balance the global climate and greenhouse gas effect that leads to extreme weather effect, global temperature changes, and disruptions in natural ecosystem. 70% of the plants found to have anti-cancerous properties are found only in the Amazon rainforest. And just 1% of the 40,000 plant varieties in the Amazon have been tested for medicinal properties. So a lot more treasure of life is yet to be found. Amazon rainforest is a crucial player in the Earth's water cycle, which is a complex system. The rainforest contributes to the Earth's water cycle by adding a vast amount of water to the Earth. During the photosynthesis, the trees and plants release water vapor to the atmosphere. This water vapor then helps with the cloud formation and release water into the rainforest in the form of rainfall. This way, Amazon contributes as much as 20 billion tons of water into the atmosphere every single day. That travels globally and influences weather systems all over. So, Amazon influences the water cycle and all the living activity, including agricultural activity, not only in the region, also in the countries thousands of miles away. So, you can imagine that any kind of imbalance in the Amazon rainforest can cause serious disruption in the agricultural activity and the food chain globally, as well as the biodiversity and the ecosystem. Talking about the biodiversity, 10% of the world's known species live in the Amazon rainforest. Around 400 to 500 indigenous tribes call the Amazon rainforest their home. Some of those tribes have never had contact with the outside world. 20% of the world's bird species live in the Amazon. Amazon also has 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and 2.5 million different insects. There are a lot more treasures in the Amazon. We will talk about some more in some future videos. But from this video, we can at least conclude this much. Amazon rainforest is the major contributor of oxygen, water, and can be medicine source for cancer and maybe other fatal diseases as well. That's all for today. Please subscribe to stay tuned.